Good evening, everyone. Today's Wednesday, about 9 p.m. New York time, February 16th. And in this video, we're going to take a look at Bitcoin and ETH as to what's happening next. So, right off the bat, I can tell you that I think that we are now backed into the bullish mode. Uh, and let me show you why. So, first of all, we had this down channel since November. And last year, we were selling off, selling off, selling off. And finally, we took out this down trend channel with this decisive candle move. Now, also, this is starting to look like one. This is the Elliott wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to finish 5. And then we're going to correct lower, and there's going to be 1, wave 2, followed by another impulse. So, how do you trade this is the question, right? Well, so first of all, you have a few positive. I can remove this. And I'm going to remove this. Clean it up a little bit. So as you can see, Bitcoin loves to respect levels. It's very technically clean. And what we're seeing here now, I'm going to remove all this to make it cleaner. We have an inverted head and shoulders after a downtrend, which is a reversal pattern. Now, just because you have a one pattern doesn't mean it's gonna happen. However, if you have other supporting evidence, like the breakout from the downtrend, was the first big clue, right? A decisive bullish candle, massive breakout. That's another clue. And now we're having this inverted head and shoulders with a neckline coming in. Let's see, horizontal ray. As you can see, we've probed it. And once we have a definitive close above it, we can definitely expect the price to go further up. Now, it might take a little while. We might have to dip one more time, even take out these lows to get some liquidity for the push up. So we might do a little sideways with a fake out breakdown, I think. And don't panic if you see price action take out these lows. I think it's going to turn around. We basically have a 1, 2, 3, and then a flat correction. So A, B, C, and then 5. So in this scenario, we should be buying support here, maybe even a little lower. But if we have a definitive close on the 4-hour basis or daily of this neckline here, then a lot of people will be buying into this head and shoulders pattern. So you have a shoulder, head, shoulder neckline here. And all we have to do is wait for a close above. Now, once you have a close above, you can actually measure the distance. Where's the measurement tool? So you measure the distance from the head to the neckline, and then you juxtapose it here. So as you can see, it targets 56,000. Let's say it doesn't get there, but it gets to retest this area here around low 52s. It's still almost 10,000 points easy. So nothing to sneeze at. Definitely a good trade to take with inverted head and shoulders on the daily chart. So monitor 4-hour time frame. What you basically want to see is one of these candles like this one. Not like these candles, right? You can see that it probed and reversed, and decisiveness, etc., etc. You want to have a definitive answer to your problem. So if you want to play it really safe and conservative, you should wait for the daily close, and that will be your key. Again, let's say daily close is at 46, and you go to 56. That's 10,000 points again, and maybe even test these highs too. Who knows? So the opportunity for longs is there. When are we going to be wrong? Let's say if we see, we're now building up another channel, an up channel. So unless we take out this up channel to the downside with a decisive price action like we did here, I'm not interested in any sells in Bitcoin. I'm only going to be looking for buys. So this puts us in the bullish mode as we're now making higher highs and higher lows, which is the definition of uptrend on a daily. So a breakout will activate this head and shoulders, and again, like I said, target this congestion here around mid 50s, 55, 56 area, maybe a little lower. Also, oops, let's see. These fibs are drawn on the last leg. Jesus, 1 second. Let's say this was the top, this was the bottom. So this shallow retracement, we didn't even reach the 38.2, tells me that the bullish uptrend is strong. So for now, like I said, wait for the breakout to activate this head and shoulders. You can actually try longs now already if you want. You can have half size now and half size after you break out, and your average is going to be somewhere here. But if it doesn't get activated and we break down, you only basically get stepped out at a half. So it's a little safer way of doing the trade. Let's take a look at ETH. Sure, it has a similar pattern. So we took out major. I'm going to clean this up. All right. Wow, as you can see, we got right into this resistance, whatever technical analysis I was doing before. So clean this up, remove these fibs. And so we took out, we're also making higher highs and high lows in this. We can remove this. And now we had this down channel with a decisive breakout. Again, similar pattern, even easier to trade. Boom. This is the neckline on this head and shoulders. Let's measure it. So let's say we break out somewhere here. ETH targets 44, 4,500. So pretty much we're going to be targeting these highs on the daily. Slightly below, but doesn't matter. If we're going all the way up here, I think we're going to be testing these highs. So definitely a good opportunity as well. You can go long now and put your stops below this point here. But like I said, it's better to do it at least half size at first and await this breakout. So right now we are building a bullish channel already, and we are in this inverted head and shoulders. So a breakout will further solidify the bullish case, and this would be the target here. So both ETH and BTC, take your pick, are looking good right now. Another thing we should pay attention to are the US stock market, because the stock market is highly correlated. Bitcoin is, and crypto is highly correlated to risk assets like S&P 500, NASDAQ, etc. So they started to bounce as well, and which is a good sign. If the stocks keep on bouncing and we're actually long in our group, NASDAQ and S&P, we will be long S&P actually. We are also issued a buy signal on Bitcoin for the same reason. So stocks are catching a bid, and looks like the Bitcoin is happy about it and now is bouncing as well. So look for longs. Don't sell until we take out this support channel. They're both ETH and Bitcoin pointing upwards. They're building a bullish case. ETH is even clearer of a picture because now you have this neckline with a breakout, close above targets, You can make 1,500 points from current levels, which is incredible. All right. As always, if you like the content, please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and you're more than welcome to stop by our free Telegram group link in the description page. Hope it helps. Enjoy.